Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a remote network icon in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to add a remote network icon in Windows 10 PC or laptop, it's very easy. Firstly, right click. After click on personalize and left panel here, click on themes and here option desktop icon setting. So click it desktop icon settings. So guys, here box network. So if you want to remove, so uncheck this box, and if you want to add, so check this box. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to add our remote network icons in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.